What the hell is umami? I think the easiest way to show you what umami is to just tell you ingredients that have it, and then you'll be able to identify it. So let's jump in. First off, miso, red, yellow, any one of them is gonna have that umami. When you think about a miso soup, what you're tasting there is umami. Aged cheeses, pecorino, parmesan, anything with a bit of funk, a bit of character. We can get into Japanese scientists and glutamate and all the science behind umami, but again, this is just easier to tell you products that have it so that you can at least start incorporating it into your cooking right away. Tomato has umami. Tomato paste, really easy, throw a tablespoon into something, adds huge, huge umami. You get into the soy products, this can be soy, tamari, there's a laundry list, teriyaki sauce, that stuff building up in the side of your fridge. You've probably got something inside your fridge right now on the fridge door that has a shitload of umami. Also used as a little bit of a salt or seasoning in a lot of cuisines. Fish sauce is killer for umami, that funky fermented fish thing. You get into the shrimp paste, you get into the bagaon in Filipino, if I'm pronouncing that right. All through Southeast Asia, you have shrimp and fish pastes. Dried mushrooms and mushrooms all have umami. Shiitakes, dried shiitakes is gonna be your #1 powerhouse, I'd say. But honestly, any mushroom works. Your simple brown mushroom has a lot of umami in it. Shit takes, as we used to call them in the restaurants. Seaweed. One of the major elements of the Japanese broth, dashi, in my opinion, the best example of umami, is kombu or seaweed. So seaweed, especially flavored into broths, or when you think about a seaweed salad, huge umami there. If you want to get to weird expert level, koji, it's sort of used within like sake making. It's a fungus that grows on rice. That is something you can buy in Japanese specialty stores and has huge umami. But also, just roasted meat or veg is a great way to develop umami. So if you were to roast off vegetables or meat before making a sauce or a stock, that's going to give huge umami to everything. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just wanted to list that off. Umami is considered the 5th flavor element. It's kind of this mystical, weird thing that a lot of people don't understand. But if you start tucking any one of these ingredients into your food, you're gonna end up with more well-rounded, interesting food. So give it a shot. Forget about the recipes, you got it.